Sophia Greskin. I direct the USC Institute on Inequalities and Global Health, and I'm a professor in both the medical school and the law school. The Student Advisory Council was created because we realized that in repurposing the Institute, that one of the things that was really important to be able to ensure in deciding direction and deciding approach and deciding the things to focus on was what do students want?
Hi, my name is Tia Razafi.
And I'm Hamsini Balaji.
And we are co-chairs of the Student Advisory Council
of the USC Institute on Inequalities and Global Health. We try to have about one meeting every month where we bring students from pretty much every school here at USC from varying educational levels, so undergrads, graduate students, PhD, all of them, to come together and to kind of discuss how we can add value to the Institute and increase kind of the access between the Institute and the students on this campus.
Us as students not only give input in the events, but also the actual strategic plan that Institute has, the different opportunities that they want to give students, and also where the Institute wants to see itself 10 years from now.
I think the goal in having the Student Advisory Council is really to ensure that we're responsive, to ensure that our programming, that our educational offerings are such that they're things that students want and that students think are important. Because we can sit here as faculty and say, oh, we think this is important or we think that is important, but we don't really know. So what we want to hear is what do students think is important, what is it students really want from us and from the Institute as a whole. And hopefully through the Student Advisory Council, we're able to actually better have a dialogue about that and to be able to do something that seems meaningful to everybody.
I think having student opinion is really important because the mission of the Institute is to serve the students, and so at the end of the day, they're going to be able to best do what they need to do only if they hear student perspective and student opinion. And I think as somebody who's a graduate student, I really value working in interdisciplinary environments, so with people from different fields and different kind of educational backgrounds and levels, and I think the Institute is doing a really good job in kind of bringing all of those people together, and that's why student perspective is really important.
Being part of the Student Advisory Council has really opened my eyes on what global health truly is. I've been surrounded by a lot of global health undergrad and grad majors, but when you're at the council, you realize that global health is extremely multidisciplinary, and we have students from all USC schools there. And you get to see under their lens and under the education that they received what global health truly means to them.